Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to center an image in GIMP. So let's have a look now. I start by opening GIMP and loading the image you want to center onto the canvas. You can use the File menu and select Open to load your image. Next, select the Alignment tool. From the toolbox panel, you can also access it by pressing the Q key as a shortcut. Click on your image there and then click the Center Image button in the tool options. This will center your image within the canvas. Once centered, you can deselect the Alignment tool by clicking on a different tool or pressing Enter on your keyboard to apply the changes. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.